everyone, welcome to another devlog. This one's going to be a little more personal, I guess, instead of a lot of voiceover. I don't think I'll have much voiceover in this one, we'll see. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to make buttons. These buttons are not complete. I am in the early stages and I was like, you know what, maybe I should record this. This will be interesting. So I have meat and veggies, right? So let's preview and see what I got so far. I just added veggies, so I haven't told it to delete veggies yet. So if you click on the meat button, you just get this. You get this spawning. This isn't doing the over highlight thing because I went through a whole thing of trying to figure out why my buttons decided they all wanted to die, and it's a whole long story. So I have to add all that back in because I had to fix it. But so this is basically all I wanted to do. But now I need another button. What would I call it? Meat, veggies. Well, first I want this to also delete this. Yes. So let's say you click. You want to do meat, right? So you put this here. And yeah, it deletes all the buttons. Now I need to make another button. And then I guess we'll just call it toppings for now. Topping button. Add sprite. Create sprite. So we're just gonna call this toppings. Right now I'm questioning if that's even spelt right, but who cares? This is just a test. And what I want this to do, it needs to have a button behavior. Okay, button. Where did I put the button? Who's got the button? There it is. Okay. So I want that to be spawned maybe in the corner down here for now, 27 by 670. Okay, so we will also create this object at, what was it? 28, we'll just do 29 by 670, is that what it was? I don't know. 670, that's fine. And we'll move this up. And now we want a new event for what this button does. A toppings button is clicked. Okay. Add action. It will spawn this at, let's just say, 100 by 100. And then we will have it also create this button at 100 by 150. That works, whatever. We'll just close all of this. And we want to put, yeah, I think I did it all. What is this? Topping button is clicked. These all. So you want this to spawn the topping button. Okay, I think I got it. So click this. Okay, that's a little too low, but it doesn't. Okay, so that's right. But let me see if this will work. No, I don't want that. I want topping buttons. Okay, so we need to add new group. Topping buttons. Oh, it can't have spaces. All right, calm down. We'll just fix it in a minute. I do not know if this is the right way to go about it. This is what I am doing. Apply. Rename. Buttons. works. Okay, so we've done that. We're going to close you again. And then we're gonna have it also be, when we click this, that all of the buttons for toppings will be deleted. So delete the object. Okay, so let's see if it works now. Click on meat, creates pepperoni, everything works. Toppings deletes. Okay, deleted everything, but I also need to delete that. So I also need it to delete this button. Okay, I think that's right. Meat button. Meat spawns the topping buttons. And then if you click the toppings button, it deletes the buttons, and then you can click on the next one. So what we're going to do now is see if the veggie button works. We also need to organize some of this because this is getting stressful. So we are going to move events into group. Olives, and then we're gonna stick all olive related things in here. Okay, and we need to do one for you. Broccoli. Okay. And we're gonna do topping spawn. That works. Okay, so this would go first. No, this would be. I know what. I'm just gonna change this since I'm gonna make the system. I will just replace the art. So that'll work. So we will change you to spawn. Veggie spawn. No, let's keep that for now. So for testing purposes, we will add a condition, and we will do veggie spawn. I didn't make it into a button. Okay, so this is a more interactive, how I do things type of vlog. This isn't, yeah. So behaviors, add behavior, button. Yeah, it's a button now. Okay, so add condition. That says me, not meat. I'll fix that. Veggie spawn is clicked. Okay, so first we're gonna add in all of the things that get deleted. You know what might be easier instead of having to do all that is add new group, topping buttons. And I also want to have one for cheese. So you know what? We'll do that in a second. Edit group, and we will add in. No, not that one. Okay, and then we will add in veggie and meat, even though it's misspelled. Let me fix that before I forget. Meat. Okay, so I will have it that it will. We'll just pick a few. It will create this object at 29 by 100, and then it will create this. Let's see, what's 75 by 130. Just the basic thing. And actually no, this would still be 29. Okay, create two things just to, and also we will delete these, and we will also spawn this at 29 by 620. Why not? Okay, so that might be easy. So I think I'm gonna also Let me see, what do we have here? I will delete that, add this, and then we will just delete them all at once again. And then for this, delete, and then we will just delete this, and that makes it simpler. So let's see if I fixed it. So meat, all right. Okay, that did not delete that. Okay, that didn't do what I wanted it to do. Close. So toppings button is clicked. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Okay, I see what I did wrong here. Wait. No, that one was actually proper. Delete buttons topping and delete topping button. Okay, the naming system is what's screwing me up, so I gotta fix that. So let's try again. Meat, toppings, veggies, toppings. It does not delete that. I need to add that. Okay, so we need to organize this. Put you here. Let's try again. Also, that I noticed it was doing its best. So let's just full screen you. Toppings. All right, deletes that. Veggies, and then toppings. Why is it not deleting? Oh, I see what I did wrong. Okay, it should be the button. Yes, we need to. We don't want to spawn toppings. We want to spawn topping buttons. Okay, so meat, delete, veggies. Okay, why are you not spawning the button? Are we back to my buttons not working? That would be annoying. Create jalapeno button, tomato button. Okay, let me see. Are these broken again? And jalapeno button update. No, the buttons work. Okay, so it's not a me problem when it comes to the buttons. I mean, it's still a me problem, but it's not that problem. That's what I'm trying to say. So. Create and create. Why won't you create the object? Oh, I see why. Delete. We only want one of these. We want this one. I gotta change the name. It's not working. It's confusing me, and I'm making it not work. Veggies. Okay, now it spawns, but these are, good God, way too close together. So I was right to make bold. 75. I am remembering X, Y properly, right? Y is up and down, X this way. I am doing it right? X, Y. Oh. I did the wrong thing. Okay. As usual, I am the problem. It is okay. Alright, let's try again. Toppings. Veggies. They're still too close together. I'll have to literally, like, write out where I want them to spawn. I did that in the old game, too. Because I did not place those objects in the game. I have them spawning, so every time I click one, it, like, does a whole thing. So, yeah. I understand what it's trying to do. Toppings. Okay, so my system is rough, but it does what I want. So next thing we need to do, because I keep confusing the bloody thing, we are going to rename you topping menu. Let's see. Topping menu buttons. There we go. That should not confuse me anymore. And you are at 123 by 120, and you are at 119 by 212. So that's gonna be fun. Okay, so that's fun. Let's make one more button for cheese and then import some cheese buttons. I wish I could put this stuff into folders. Can I? No. I wish there was folders, like Game Maker had folders. Make me a little smaller here. There we go. Yay! So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add new objects. Then we're gonna do sprites, cheddar. We will resize. I will make it 100 and then say it as cheddar button. And then we will go back to the cheddar and then we will resize again. I think 115 might be good for like the actual topping, because I think it should be a little bit bigger. And save as cheddar drag. And now what we're going to do, we are going to, we'll start with the object, why not? Cheddar. Okay, and draggable. Apply. Oops, I didn't import the image. Oopsie. Cheddar drag. Open. Apply. And then add new object, which would be sprite, behaviors, add behavior, button, properties, add animation, add sprite. I have gone faster with this, I'll tell you that. Apply. I didn't name you. Oopsie. Cheddar button. Okay, and you also want to put the button in here. Okay, and I'm keeping the buttons separate from the actual toppings. This also should be over here, this should be up here, and this should be up here. Okay, just to keep stuff separate. Alright, and then we're gonna make our cheddar button real quick. Okay, and we will, so we have one cheese. We'll put you here, and now we will add a new object, sprite, behavior, button, and then we will name this cheese. Add an animation. Create disc skull. 150, 75, and we will put, I will make nice buttons, most likely in GIMP. I need to see if I can find that one script that made buttons look really nice. Cheese. Yes, I am doing the buttons with the mouse for this writing, because this is just a placeholder anyway. And then we will, first we will give you a group. I need to do a lot still. We will put you in here and add, let's see, cheeses is clicked. Creates this object, create an object at 29 by 75, just for the sake of creating it. It will delete topping menu buttons, and it will also create this button at 29 by 620. Okay. And then everything should just continue to work. But I don't want to update, I want to preview it. Okay. I didn't add the button. Heck. Actually, first let me make sure that this button works. It do work. I still gotta add the drop shadow and things. And I gotta add this to toppings. So let me just do that real quick while I'm thinking of it. Okay. So we're gonna delete you. We're gonna put you in here. Excuse me. This is quite exciting because I want to make a different game. That's similar concept except for you dress up scarecrows. So if I learn how to do this and make it work good, this is gonna be awesome. I'm just really excited to get away from the 666 XY thing. I don't like that. So let's preview it. Meat. Oh, I have to tell it to delete cheese. Okay. Actually, no. Cheese should be here. Jesus. Apply. So we are going to toppings. No, this whole thing's busted. All right. Meat. Delete them all. Toppings. Use this spawn. Toppings button. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see what the problem is. I need to also spawn the cheeses one. Create an object. Okay, what is the 100 by 200. Okay, we'll put you all together. There we go. Update. Meat, toppings, cheeses, toppings. I did it again. I keep telling it to open up with that. There we go. Meat, toppings, veggies, toppings, cheese. Okay, toppings. All right. That's all well and good. Now I just have to tell it where to spawn everything. Which, that's going to be a bit of a pain. I'm not going to lie. But, I'll make it work. So, now that I have it all doing what I want it to do, I will skip ahead to when I have the basic system more polished and, yeah. I don't think I'll show much more except for the polished-ish version of this. So that's what the next clip's going to be. Okay, no PNG model because it's like 10 at night and I switched it back to my gaming thing. I don't feel like fixing it. Okay, so here's what I got with the things that I've imported. I still got to import 3 or 4 more, but this is what I've got so far. I still need to make it where it highlights when you go over it and stuff. I haven't done all that. I just want to make sure everything still works. So you go to meat, you can drag and drop it, toppings, veggies, toppings, cheese, and yeah, it all works. Now I just gotta add the last few toppings and put it in for it to spawn that I have drawn, and then I'll show you the final of what I have so far. Alrighty, so this is what we got. You see all of this so far? Remember where we started? Oh Lord. I guess I'll just catch you up on everything that's going on in the game in general. Why not? So this is what we got. We have these buttons here. I'm gonna have it spawn exactly in the same spot. Did I already do that? Yeah, I think I already did. These buttons launch like whatever toppings are in that category. This is just a base test for now. I'm gonna make nicer ones, and I have like 5 or 6 I want to make. I have a whole bunch left to do. Also, the background's a placeholder. This is also a placeholder, and this is also a placeholder. And what I did is I put all of the toppings in this object group, so I can just tell things that I want to do. Like, okay, so let's say I want the toppings to rotate. I just tell the thing to rotate that object group. So let me find, if rotation is collision with toppings, so any of the toppings, it'll rotate at a speed of 50 milliseconds per degree or whatever. So, and then like trash can, collision with toppings, deletes the topping that collides with it. I've done about half the topping. That's up to draw the other half, but I'm doing pretty good. Also, the menu buttons also go into a group, so that way I can have it spawn and despawn when I click on this button over here. And I made it so all of the buttons are inside of a group. So instead of telling it to delete jalapeno button, delete tomato button, delete mushroom button, it just deletes all the topping menu buttons because we don't need them anymore. So that we can go back to this menu. So with all that being said, I'm gonna show you what I have so far. I still have to make menus and all kinds of stuff for this game, so I was nowhere near done. I still don't know why it's doing this either. I haven't looked that up yet. So the trash can, a little placeholder. So click on meat. I've only drawn pepperoni so far, so see it rotates or it deletes. I have to just fix the collision points on a lot of these. Then you click on this to go back to toppings. Veggies, which is what I have the most of. See, these I've done the buttons without the sound. I haven't figured out sound yet, but all of these work. At least they should work. Yeah. Tomato. And I've come to the conclusion that they all need to be different sizes, because like broccoli is bigger than an olive and pepperoni is bigger than a jalapeno, but tomato slices are generally bigger than both of them. It's like a whole thing. And then cheese, we have Swiss cheese, mozzarella cheese, pepper jack cheese, and cheddar cheese. So in theory, I haven't drawn the basil yet, but I'm gonna make a reset room button, so that way we don't have to do this if you want to make a new pizza. I also want to see if there's a way to make a screenshot button. I want to put this on itch.io, so I wanted to be able to make a screenshot that it'll pop up a save box while you're like on the web page to save. I don't know how to do that. I'll see if it's possible. I would like for it to be possible. But like in theory, if I had the basil, this would have been perfect. But in theory, you can make a margarita pizza. Might be a bit too much tomato. But yeah, that's what we got so far. It doesn't look like much, but this has taken me a couple weeks. I've gotten a lot of this progress done the last couple of days though, because I want this game done by September. It's not that big of a game. I should be able to do it, because I want to spend September relaxing, just making art and stuff, because Inktober is coming. And I am not going to be making any games during Inktober. I would have loved to make my Scarecrow game, but I can't realistically make a game and do Inktober at the same time. So I'm prioritizing Inktober, and we'll see what I want to start in November. But yeah, this is the game so far. I still gotta make everything do, like see these, I still gotta make it do that. But yeah. That's gonna be it for this vlog though. It wasn't very long, I don't think. But hopefully it was kind of interesting. I don't know. But yeah. Here's where we are. Here's where we're at. We are getting somewhere, I'll say that much. And trust me on this, you want to organize everything. Imagine if I didn't organize this. This would be so stressful. But you can just close it. Please, if you use GDevelop, please organize everything. It'll make your life better. Just do what I'm saying. It's good for you. But yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next vlog. Bye!